Welcome back to the channel, and today we're diving into one of the most anticipated supercars of the decade, the 2026 Chevrolet Corvette Zora. Named after the legendary Zora Archistuntiv, the father of the Corvette, this beast is not just another iteration of the mid-engine C8 platform, it's the most powerful, most advanced, and most exhilarating Corvette ever made. Buckle up as we take you through the Zora's design, performance, luxurious interior, and everything you need to know before considering one for your dream garage. Right off the bat, the 2026 Corvette Zora looks like a supercar that belongs on a poster. Its design is a step beyond the already aggressive Z06 and E-Ray models. The front fascia is more aerodynamic, with a wider stance, aggressive splitters, and massive side air intakes that feed the twin-turbo system and help keep things cool under extreme pressure. The carbon fiber hood is vented for high-speed downforce control, and the rear features an active spoiler paired with a dramatic diffuser that screams performance. Sharp lines, sculpted curves, and exposed carbon elements all come together to make the Zora not just a sports car, but a visual weapon. LED matrix headlights and unique Zora badging add exclusivity to its appearance. From every angle, this car looks like it's going 200 miles per hour even when parked. Inside, the Zora doesn't hold back on luxury and technology. The cabin is wrapped in premium materials like Alcantara, Nappa leather, and carbon fiber trim, giving it a cockpit-like feel that's both driver-focused and indulgent. The seats are deeply bolstered performance buckets with heating, cooling, and massage functions. The 12-inch digital instrument cluster is fully customizable and includes performance telemetry, track mode layouts, and hybrid power distribution data. The center touchscreen, a high-resolution 11.9-inch OLED display, is tilted toward the driver and runs the latest version of Chevrolet's infotainment system with wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and over-the-air updates. The Bose Performance Series audio system delivers crystal-clear sound, although most owners will probably prefer the sound of the engine roaring behind them. The flat-bottom steering wheel, trimmed in leather and carbon fiber, houses integrated controls for drive modes, suspension settings, and hybrid boost activation. It's clear that this car was designed to make the driver feel like a pilot in a high-tech fighter jet. But let's talk about where the Zora truly flexes, its performance. Under the hood, or rather, under the rear deck, lies a hybrid twin-turbocharged 5.5-liter V8 engine paired with an electric motor on the front axle, making the Zora the first fully all-wheel drive Corvette. The combined output, a jaw-dropping 1,000 horsepower and over 900 pound-feet of torque. That's hypercar territory. 0 to 60 comes in just 1.9 seconds, with a top speed exceeding 220 miles per hour. The instant torque from the electric motor combined with the scream of the twin-turbo V8 creates a driving experience unlike anything Chevy has built before. The dual-clutch 8-speed transmission shifts lightning fast, and the new adaptive suspension reads the road in milliseconds to provide precise handling without sacrificing comfort. Whether you're attacking corners on a track or cruising a mountain pass, the Zora feels balanced, aggressive, and confident. Despite its extreme performance, the Zora is still practical in Corvette terms. It offers front and rear cargo space, and even with all that power, it comes with an EV mode for short-distance silent driving in cities. In terms of safety and driver assistance, the Zora is equipped with GM's latest suite, including forward collision warning, lane keeping assist, and even optional Super Cruise. For highway driving, now, for the price. The 2026 Corvette Zora starts at around $180,000, easily the most expensive Corvette ever, but considering the performance, engineering, and luxury on offer, it's a bargain compared to European hypercars offering similar specs. And let's not forget, this is still a Corvette, American-born, track-bred, and now reborn with electrified fury. That wraps up our full review of the 2026 Chevrolet Corvette Zora. Let us know in the comments, would you take this over a Ferrari or a McLaren at the same price? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more in-depth car reviews. See you in the next one.